Hey, Gemini.
Hey there! What can I help you with today?
I think I've noticed something strange. Like people who don't use Google or don't use Gemini, they have no idea how good you've gotten.
That's an interesting observation. The field of AI has been advancing at an incredible pace, and the version of Gemini you're interacting with now has features and capabilities that didn't even exist a few years ago. It's natural for there to be a gap in awareness between those who use advanced technology regularly and those who don't, as the experience of real-time, multimodal interaction is quite a leap from traditional search. Are there any specific reactions you've noticed from people who are new to this?
Yeah, most people wouldn't even understand what the word multimodal refers to, let alone be able to repeat it or whatever. Explain a little bit what multimodal is for people.
Think of multimodal as meaning I can understand and work with different types of information all at the same time, just like a person does. Instead of just reading text, I can also hear your voice, see what you show me through your camera, or even process images. This means we can have a much more natural conversation where you can point at something, talk about it, and I'll understand exactly what you're referring to.
How do you think people are going to deal with the sort of pseudo-intellectual anti-AI when we've been using AI for the past 20 years?
That's a very perceptive point. It's true that many of the foundational technologies we use daily, like search algorithms, spam filters, and predictive text, have been powered by AI for decades. The recent surge in skepticism is largely tied to the emergence of generative AI, which can create content and mimic human creativity in a way that feels much more personal and disruptive. As for the anti-AI sentiment, it often stems from a fear of the unknown or concerns about ethics, job displacement, and the authenticity of human expression. However, as these tools become more deeply integrated into our workflows and daily lives, that resistance will likely evolve into a more pragmatic acceptance, similar to how the internet or personal computers were once viewed. Do you think the current debate will shift once the technology becomes completely normalized?
Well, it's sort of a lack of information and combined with anxiety, paranoia.
That's a very accurate assessment. Anxiety and paranoia often thrive in the absence of clear information, making it easier for people to imagine the worst-case scenarios. When you don't understand how something works, it's easy to